In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DocuSign signing order issues. If your signers are getting access at the wrong time or someone is stuck waiting, this walkthrough will help you correct the routing so your envelope flows smoothly end to end. Start by opening the envelope in edit mode. Log into DocuSign on a desktop browser, go to Home, find the envelope you're working on, and choose Edit. You need to be in Edit to adjust recipients, the order, and field assignments. If the envelope has already completed, you won't be able to change it, so make sure you're working with one that's still in progress or waiting. Next, check the signing order setting in the Recipient section. Look for the option to set signing order and confirm it's enabled if you require a strict sequence. When this is turned on, DocuSign honors the numbered order and sends access one person at a time. If it's off, recipients can often sign in parallel, which may be fine for some workflows, but it can cause confusion when a specific order is required. Now verify the recipient order itself, review the numbers next to each recipient, and make sure they match your intended sequence. If something's out of place, rearrange the order so the correct person is first, followed by everyone else in the proper turn. Remember, every recipient who needs to sign should have a unique order number, and any carbon copy rolls should be positioned where they make sense. By the way, if you need quick access to DocuSign, I've placed a link to the website at the top of the description so you can sign in or learn more as you follow along. Confirm who the current signer is. DocuSign will show you which recipient is active at the moment. Only that person can view and complete their assigned fields. So if someone later in the sequence is trying to sign, they won't see the document until it's their turn. Review field assignments carefully. Select each field on the document and confirm it's assigned to the correct recipient using the recipient selector. Any required field that's assigned to the wrong person will block progress and prevent the envelope from moving to the next signer. When your updates are complete, save the envelope so your changes take effect. After saving, resend the envelope to notify the correct signer and refresh their access based on the updated order. If the envelope can't be edited because of its status, void it, then recreate a new envelope with the right signing order from the start. That's how to fix DocuSign signing order issues. Thanks for watching.